Hello and welcome to Dungeons and Dining with me, the Dragon Stale Rice. Today, I'm going to show you all how to make 3 different kinds of sweets. One on stovetop, one in the oven, and one frozen. The first dessert in particular is the stovetop one, and this one's special to me because it's one I grew up with. I don't know many who grew up with this. This is called banana soup, or chichoy in Vietnamese. Banana soup is something I used to have at my grandmother's house when I used to visit her. And don't worry folks, this is a really easy recipe to make, and I'm going to show you how. So, let's get to it. So then, to start off with banana soup, we're going to need some bananas, and here they are. But they're not quite chopped yet, are they? Let's see. Ah, there we go. Now, we're not using these just yet. We're going to be using these by the end of the cooking. Now, if you want to, you can use yellow bananas, but I personally prefer to use brown ones because they are sweeter than the yellow ones. Next, for our banana soup, we're going to need a broth. This broth is going to be coconut milk. Open up 2 cans and pour it into a pot. Once you've emptied both cans, fill them both with water and pour them right back into the pot. Set your stove to medium heat and watch that thing for 5 to 10 minutes. Watch that broth. So as soon as you see it rise, turn it down to simmer. Now, in a bowl, combine 2/3 cup of sugar and 1/3 cup of tapioca pearls. Just give them a quick mix and put them right into the pot. Stir that around and wait for another 20 minutes. At this point, we're just waiting for the tapioca pearls to dissolve. So keep your eye on that, stir it every now and again, and just be patient. After said time has passed, the pearls should be a little translucent. Now, very neatly add your bananas, because believe me, coconut milk splashes like crazy. Let that sit for another 20 to 30 minutes, and there you have it, delicious banana soup. And there we have it. Now, on to dessert number 2. Our second dessert today is going to be my cookies and cream bites. This here is the frozen dessert, so now let's get to that. So the frozen dessert does not require much. All we really need is a bowl, some cookies and cream Hershey's, some hazelnut spread, and some cupcake liners. Take the packaging of the chocolate and just slip it open, cut it open, let it all pour out. Unwrap all those and put them in a bowl. Please use some common sense here and use a glass bowl, not a plastic one. This is going in the microwave. Put it in there for 30 seconds at a time and stir up every time you do. When everything's nice, stirring and melted, put a dollop into each cupcake liner. Now, put your hazelnut spread in a Ziploc bag, snip the end of it, and spread just a little bit in the center. Cover that up with more chocolate, put that in the freezer, take the liners off, and there we have it. If you couldn't tell, I'm trying to pay homage to Reese's. And Reese's is one of my favorite chocolates, so hey, why not? And now, let's end that with a cross section. Yes, 2 down and 1 more to go. This is the baked dessert. Forewarning though, this baked dessert also involves some stovetop action. And I hope you like mangoes, because this is my mango pie. So without much haste, let's get to that. And so, for our mango pie, we're going to need some mangoes, and here they are. There's the mangoes. Gotta make these more lightweight. Ah, there we go. Nice and diced up. Now, we're going to put the mangoes onto a lightly oiled pan at medium heat. On the side, we're going to mix half a tablespoon's worth each of Tajin, ground ginger, and nutmeg. Throw that into the pan and mix it all up. We are also adding half the juice of a lemon. Look how golden and bubbly that is. That looks like an apple pie filling. And now for the pie crust. I'm doing nothing special. I'm just going to use a box of Jiffy. And now with the crust made in an aluminum shell, we're going to add our filling to this. Now, you can do whatever you want with designs and all that with your crust, but I'm going to do the traditional apple pie kind of crisscross look. Put your pie in the oven as per your dough's baking instructions. Take it out, and there we have it. A nice rustic mango pie. And there we have it, all 3 desserts ready and finished. All 3 of these are lovely desserts, although the first one is really close and dear to me. It's something I grew up with. How couldn't it be? It's not every day you really see anything from Vietnamese cuisine that isn't pho, and I love pho, but I like to show you all something you might not have seen before. Thank you all very much for watching, and I'll see you next time in my dungeon.